words were written, I always find it too short. Good morning and namaskar to respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Chief Guest, Coordinator, teacher, parents, and my fellow classmates. It's me, Amberly Swart from grade 882. Today I'm here to share a little bit about the author of the book, A Wrinkle in Time, Mandel Engel. Madeline was born on November 29, 1918 in New York City, USA. She grew up in a creative family with a physician father and a writer mother. She wrote her first story at the age of 5 and began keeping journal at the age of 8. Many introvert children find it difficult to express themselves or to get a new concept from others. Madeline, also as a side child, often found her comfort in her books. Moving around during her childhood gave her a strong connection to nature, which influenced her writing. Madeline, A Wrinkle in Time is one of her most famous books, which has won a Newbery Medal, and other series of books are A Wind in the Door, A Swift-Flitting Planet, Many Waters, and An Acceptable Time. Ringle was inspired by her interest in science, faith, and her childhood challenges. This book explores the themes of love, good versus evil, challenges, time travel, and blending other science fictions with deep philosophical questions. Madeline Engel passed away on September 6, 2007, but her creative work continues to inspire all the readers of all ages. Thank you and have a nice day.
Our brother Charles Wallace and their mother lived. All feels familiar but quite lonely for Meg, who struggles with school and misses her father. And it's here that they met the mysterious Mrs. Watson, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Witch, who changed their life forever. Next, they traveled to Uriel, a beautiful and peaceful planet filled with fresh air and tall mountains. They paradise a moment of learning and peace. And they met the dark thing and evil force threatening the universe. Then they arrive on Kamazot, a sinister and frightening planet controlled by AI, a mind-controlling entity that enforces strict conformity. Finally, they travel on Ixiel, a misty and grey world where kind and sightless creatures live. It's the place of healing. It's the place of healing and understanding, and makes find comfort and growth there. By saying this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Sometimes when I'm in a bookstore or library, I'm overwhelmed by the things that I don't know. And I'm seized by the desire to read all the books one by one. I know that you've read many books in your life. Math book, science book, English book. Haven't you? Yes, you have. But the most attractive and eye-catching ones are storybooks and novels. Hi everyone, dear Chief Guest, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Sir, parents, and my dear fellow classmates. I'm Eunice Gautam, and today I'm gonna cover a brief overview of the major events of the book A Wrinkle in Time. A Wrinkle in Time is a captivating science fiction novel where the story starts with Meg Murray, a gifted teenager, and her gifted brother Charles Wallace and his friend Calvin O'Cafe. They are visited by three mysterious beings, Mrs. Watson, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Witch. These three mysterious beings give them the concept of tesseracts. Tesseracts are wrinkles in time which lets you to travel across the universe. As they get the concept of tesseracts, they set off on a mission of saving Meg's father, a great scientist who disappeared while doing an important experiment. As they go on the journey, they travel through many different and dangerous planets, including Camazotz, and a dark and obsessive planet controlled by an evil entity. It is a very evil entity which controls the mind of its inhabitants and possesses them, eventually possessing Meg's brother Charles Wallace. As they go through different challenges, Meg lacks her inner strength. Ultimately, she finds that her inner strength, individuality, and love is the key to defeat darkness. As she knows the key to defeat darkness, she saves her father and brings peace and balance into the universe back. With this all, I'm going to conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
The heart of the story beats within this character. Good morning.
respected chief grade coordinator sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Nozan Acharya, standing here in front of you to deliver a speech about the main characters of the novel A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle. The three main characters that I am going to talk about is Meg Murray, Charles Wallace, and Kelvin O'Keefe. They three each have different kind of strengths which help them to face challenges ahead. Meg Murray, the main characters and protagonist of this story, is a troubled teenager who doubts herself and feels like she does not fit in. She doubts on herself and she thinks like she does not fit in anywhere she goes. She compares herself with her younger brother Charles Wallace and be frustrated with her own abilities. Her abilities are very good, but she does not think that she fits in and always struggles. However, her love for her family and determination to save her father gives her courage to grow and succeed. Charles Wallace, Meg's younger brother, is extremely intelligent kid who knows the things many people don't. He has a special ability to sense what people are thinking and feeling about, but this makes him feel different and isolated. His presence in the group helps guide the group, but it also makes him vulnerable to danger. His stories tell us that intelligence alone is not enough. Emotional connection is just as important. Kelvin O'Keefe, who is a high school student, joins Meg and Charles on their journey throughout the space and time. He is kind, smart, and his courage is very good. His presence in the group helped the group to be balanced, and he helped Meg to find courage within her. The three different characters, different kind of strength within them. Meg determination, Charles Wallace intelligence, and Kelvin courage, which help them to face challenges ahead. They each have different kind of weakness, but they know that working together will help them face challenges ahead. By the end of the story, Meg learns and finds courage within her and knows that friendship and love is most powerful force in the world. Charles noticed that even great intelligence has its limits, and Kelvin finally finds sense of belonging. The journey teaches them that even things look very difficult, love and friendship help them through the darkest of times. Thank you and have a nice day.
The more you read, the more you know. The more you learn, the more you get knowledge. Namaskar to everyone. I'm Ginny Das from grade 82 and I feel honored to stand before you to talk about themes of a book called A Wrinkle in Time. As we all know, the themes are the heart of the book which helps them be popular. A Wrinkle in Time explores a lot of themes like good versus evil and love and family. Good versus evil. This novel shows fight between darkness and lightness, with Meg, Charles, Kelvin defeating evil force or the bad thing. Love and family. This novel shows the love bond between Meg's family, especially her brother and father. This bond helps Meg to overcome these challenges, and this book teaches us we should have curiosity and courage to do something. If you wanna learn something more about this book, I recommend you buying this book. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning and namaskar to the respected chief guests, vice principal, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. It's me, Plasma Casey from grade 82, and today I am here to present the overall role of Meg Murray, one of the main characters of the novel A Wrinkle in Time. At the beginning of the story, Meg is an insecure and troubled young girl. She struggles with school, feels different from others, and is upset about her father's mysterious disappearance. She often feels frustrated and unsure about herself. As the story progresses, Meg undergoes significant growth. Her journey to rescue her father and to confront the evil force it helps her realize her inner strength. She learns that her love for her family gives her the strength to face upcoming challenges. Meg's biggest struggle is learning to accept who she truly is. She has to fight against it, an evil force which tries to control everyone and make them the same. By the end of the story, Meg learns that her love for her family and accepting herself gives her the strength to face upcoming challenges and to confront the evil force. This shows that being true to yourself is the key to overcome upcoming challenges. Thank you. I define science fiction as a art of possible and fantasy as a art of impossible. Namaskar to chief guests, teachers, brothers, sisters, coordinator, vice principal ma'am, and my dear friends. Myself, Ramsa Vista, here to talk about science and evil in the science and fantasy in the book Wrinkle in a Time. A Wrinkle in a Time by Marilyn Allenberg is a mix of science and fiction. The book explores the idea of love, courage, and improvement in ourselves. With the help of characters Meg Murray, Charles Wallace and the brother, and their friend Calvin going on an adventure to find Meg's missing father in a planet Camazotz. The book includes many scientific ideas such as space travel, time travel, and other dimensions. The characters in the book use a concept called tesseracts, which is similar to the idea of wormhole in physics. We also get introduced to many mythical creatures like Mrs. Wasit, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Switch. They help children along the journey to find Meg's missing father with the power beyond science. The planet Camazotz is controlled by the dark force called It. It controls people's mind in such a way that can't be said as science. It is more like magical than science. Animal blends science and fantasy to create a unique adventure for children and teenagers to read. We get courage and self-improvement by reading this book. Thank you.
Give our soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Good morning and namaskar to respected chief guest, vice principal, coordinator, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Prince Mahal from grade 82, standing in front of you. Today I am going to focus on the symbols of the book A Wrinkle in a Time by Madeleine L'Engle. In the novel A Wrinkle in Time, the writer uses several important symbols to convey the deeper meanings. One of the most significant symbol is light versus darkness, representing the battle between good and evil. Light symbolizes the hope, love, and knowledge, while the darkness stands for fear, ignorance, and oppression. The character must fight to bring light into the world by standing up against the darkness. The another key symbol is the black king, a dark force spreading across the universe. It represents the evil negativity and the danger of conformity. It shows that how fear and hatred can take over someone's mind and society. The character must use intelligence and courage to resist its influence. Mrs. Watsit's transformation is also an important symbol in the book. She first appears as an old lady, but later she transforms into a beautiful winged creature, which symbolizes the change, hidden potential, and the wisdom. It also teaches that appearance can be deceiving and true strength comes from within. Through this symbol, the novel teaches that love, bravery, and knowledge can help to overcome the fear and darkness, making the world a better place. Now I would like to end my talk here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Great books don't tell story, they start the conversation. Let's begin ours. Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. It's me, Hima Thapa Momer from grade 8A2 in front of you all to share about the three mystical women from the novel A Wrinkle in Time. As we know, there are many characters in the novel A Wrinkle in Time, but today I'm going to talk about the three mysterious women who is known as Mrs. Watson, Mrs. Who and Mrs. Witch. Each of them have different and unique way to help make Marie and her friends. These three strange yet powerful beings play an important role to help make Marie to rescue her father and fight against the darkness. To begin with the hospitable from these three is Mrs. Watson. First she appears in guise being an old woman wearing strange clothes, but afterwards she reveals herself as a powerful heavenly being. Mrs. Watson challenges Meg and makes her understand that she can possess a huge strength within her. She introduced Meg to love, sacrifice, and inner bravery. Second, Mrs. Who. Mrs. Who quotes nearly entirely philosophy and in other language. Her dialogue may sound perplexing, but what she utters is very insightful, delights Meg and her friends the greater realities about the journey. Third of the three, Mrs. Witch. Mrs. Witch is the oldest of them. As a distinction of the others, she trains to appear in the shining figure instead of solely form. She has the power to travel through space very easily. She is the one who guides her friend to the space and attempt to save my father. Thank you.
Reading is like traveling without moving, so let's embark on this literary journey together. Warm greetings to you all. Introducing myself, I am Shizaba Smith, a student currently studying in grade 8A2, feeling incredibly privileged in front of you all to highlight the message of the book A Wrinkle in Time by Nadine L. Engel, that is a captivating blend of science and fiction. The story gives us a profound lesson about the power of love and the importance of overcoming fear and darkness. At its core, the book is also about the struggle between good and evil, with characters facing trials that test their courage and resilience. The story centers on Meg Murray, a young insecure girl who is the protagonist, learns that her imperfections are not her weaknesses or vulnerabilities, but rather the things that make her capable of having greater strength. This book emphasizes the importance of believing in yourself no matter how tough the situation is. According to the book, courage isn't the absence of fear. Instead, it is the ability to face it head on. The book says that everybody, no matter how small or big they are, everyone has the potential to make an impact or difference in the world. Ultimately, A Wrinkle in Time encourages us to embrace our inner light and trust towards the power of love, and to find interest in conquering darkness within ourselves and among the world. Lastly, it also challenges us to recognize that we must all adore and appreciate ourselves just the way we are. In a world filled with uncertainty and darkness, the message of the book is clear. Love, courage, and self-acceptance are the factors that help us to solve most of our problems. It challenges us to realize that our imperfections are not our weaknesses, but rather the qualities that helps us to grow stronger when embraced. So rather than being insecure and wandering around, we must always be proud of our smallest actions, as self-acceptance is one of the most important factors in our life. The book also says that we must always spread positive light and love towards the world, and that our imperfections does not define our worth. Instead, they are just our uniqueness. Everybody has their own strength, uniqueness, and abilities, and we must all learn how to embrace it. Lastly, to wrap it all up, this was it for the message of the book, and I highly recommend you guys this book, as the suspense and story behind it is pretty interesting, and it gives you more life lessons. So this is me wrapping it up. Thank you.
A well-told story stays with you forever. Let us talk about one worth remembering. Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Vice Principal Ma'am, parents, and my dear friends. I am Sakshi Yadav, currently studying in grade 8A2. Today, I will share about my reflection and my favorite part from the novel A Wrinkle in Time. A Wrinkle in Time is a young adult science novel written by Madeleine L'Engle. The story follows 12-year-old Meg Murray on her quest to rescue her father who had mysteriously disappeared. Every reader has their own different moments and different favorite parts, and I would like to share mine. One of my favorite parts is in chapter 4, when Meg, Charles, and Kelvin take us to the planet Uriel. There they experiences the beauty of Uriel contrasted with the ominous presence of the black thing. And my another favorite moment is when Meg encounters a creature she names Aunt Beast. This creature comforts her and sings song of beauty, providing a sense of solace amid the chaos. This moment highlights the importance of compassion and understanding, resonating deeply with me. Finally, the emotional reunion when four friends returns home is a heartwarming conclusion. It showcases the themes of love and family. In conclusion, I highly recommend A Wrinkle in Time. The story skillfully blends profound themes of good versus evil with the elements of science, making it both engaging and thought-provoking. I encourage everyone to read it. This book only gets interesting with each chapter. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal coordinators, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Amit Bhandari from grade A1 today here to talk my part on this book review about The Wrinkle on Time. My part today is about the author Madeleine L'Engle. Madeleine L'Engle was born in New York, California, New York in September 29, 1918. She was named after her great grandmother, and she had a rich family with her maternal grandfather co-founding the Merchant Bank in Florida. Her mother was a pianist and her father was a writer and a critic who suffered lung damage from because of the gas in World War I. Madeleine loved storytelling from a young age. She wrote her first story when she was 5 and continued on to a journal when she was 8. Despite this, her passion for writing was not good because of her academics and she was unfairly labeled as stupid by some of the teachers. This led her to retreat into her own world of books and writing. Madeleine L'Engle's childhood was with travels and change in new schools because of her parents' difference in her upbringing. The family once moved near the French Alps, hoping the cleaner air there will help her father's health. Then later in 1933, the family moved near California to be nearer to her sick grandmother. She studied in Ashley Hall School there. Sadly, her father passed away that time and she came home too late to say him goodbye. Besides this, she studied in Smith College and graduated cum laude and moved to New York City and published her novels The Small Rent and Elsa before 1942. With this, the writer himself wrote the Time Portrait series, which features the classic of Wrinkle on Time that the book review is all about. And I also read this book and liked this book. Madeleine L'Engle's legacy lives on through her books and inspiring all the readers of all time. With this, I like to thank and give this. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guests, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinators, Sir, Parents, Teachers, and all my fellow classmates present here. I'm Sai Kafli from grade 81, and before I start, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the teachers of the English department, Mr. Goyal Saini Sir and Ganesh Pasne Sir, for providing me with this wonderful opportunity to talk about the writing style and literary power of Madeleine L'Engle. L'Engle is a children's author, so her books are easy to understand and relatable. Even in A Wrinkle in Time, it fascinated me how she could explain such a vast topic like space exploration and tesseracts in such a simple yet profound way. She even used philosophical and mythological quotes and expressions as a talking style for Mrs. Who, which added depth, symbolic meaning, and a creative touch to the book.
Lingle is like a superhero, and her superpower is that she can captivate anyone with her words. And Lingle is like a superhero, and her superpower is that she can captivate anyone with her words. Personally, I really liked how she expressed the main character Meg's feelings and emotions as an insecure teenage girl. I'm sure all of us could relate to her insecurities, and we have felt it at least once in our lifetime. I also really liked how she explained the space explorations and such a big scientific discoveries in a such simple way, in such a way that all of us young readers could understand it very well. I strongly believe that a lot of blooming authors can get a lot of inspiration from Lingle's writing style. Lingle's writing reminds us that great stories don't just entertain, they inspire and transform. Thank you.
Good morning and namaskar to respected Vice Principal, Coordinator, Chief Guest, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sujit Kesi from grade 11 and today I am going to speak about the first part of the book, A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle. So the first part of the book starts by introducing the main character of the book, Meg Murray, a bright but an awkward girl, currently struggling with school and feeling like an outsider. She lives with her mother and her younger brother Charles Wallace. Their father, a physicist, has mysteriously disappeared while working on a secret government project. One stormy night, a strange woman named Mrs. Watson has appeared at their home and he saw a tesseract named Concept to them related to time and space travel. This concept shocks Meg's mother and suggesting a connection between Mr. Murray's disappearance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, it's me Ashish Gautam from grade 81. Today I am going to talk about the second part of the book. In the second part of A Wrinkle in Time, the story becomes more exciting as Meg, Charles Wallace and Calvin begin their journey through time and space to find Meg's missing father. With the help of Mr. Whitelist, Mr. Wicks and Mr. Wood, they travel using a special method called Tesseract, allowing them to wrinkle time and move across the universe. They visited different planets, including dark and dangerous planets, Cartos, where everything seems perfect on outside, but inside it was controlled by an evil force called IT. Meg realizes that being different than others make people special than others. When they see Scary Meg showed a great courage and love for her family. The second part of the book teaches us that love is the weapon against darkness, and the smallest person can be a hero. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guest, Vice Principal, Coordinator, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. It's me, Virat Sam from grade 81, presenting about character Meg Murray. Meg Murray is the main character in A Wrinkle in Time. She is a smart but insecure teenager who feels out of place. At the start of the story, Meg struggles with her self-image and doesn't believe in her strength. She often frustrated with herself and about her future. As she travels.
Good morning and namaskar to the respected Chief Guest, Vice Principal, Ma'am, Coordinator Sir, and my dear friends. I am Rizal Mother from grade 81 talking about Charles Wallace from A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle. Charles Wallace is the younger brother of Meg Murray and son of the scientists Mr. and Mrs. Murray. Unlike the most kid of his days, he is highly intelligent, telepathic, and deeply initiative. He can understand people's thought and emotion without speaking to them directly, making him outwardly. In A Wrinkle in Time, Charles joins Meg and Calvin on a journey across the universe in order to save his father, who is trapped on the dark planet Canazod. Charles' intelligence and curiosity make him both asset and a weakness. While he was confident about resisting ID, the dark evil force on the Canazard, he ultimately falls under its control and becomes cold and robotic. Despite that, Charles was saved by Meg's unconditional love toward him, proving that emotion and human communication are far more stronger than the intellect alone. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I'm Oriana Sakal from grade 81 and I'll be talking about three mysterious beings. Mrs. Watson, Mrs. Who and Mrs. Witch are the three mysterious beings from A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline L'Engle. They act as a guide to Meg Murray, Charles Wallace and Calvin O'Keefe on their journey to rescue Meg's father from the evil force also known as the Black Thing. And I'll be explaining these three characters briefly. Mrs. Watson. Mrs. Watson is the most approachable of the three. She often appears in the form of an old lady wrapped in scarves. However, she is the former star who sacrificed herself in the journey against the darkness. She is kind but also direct. Mrs. Who is known for speaking in famous literary and philosophical quotes. She is philosophical quotes. She often uses it to communicate in wisdom. Mrs. Witch is oldest and most powerful. Mrs. Witch is the oldest and most powerful. She has the power of tasting, the method of traveling through space and time. Together, these three characters help the children face challenges, battle evil, and learn the importance of love, courage, and discovery. Thank you for your attention.
Greetings to the respected chief guest, vice principal ma'am, coordinator, parents, and all the teachers and students present here. It's me, Sahina Rai from grade 81. Today I'll be talking about A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline L'Engle. While Meg Murray is the main focus, Mr. and Mrs. Murray are crucial characters. Mr. Murray's scientific work and Mrs. Murray's unconditional love and support guides Meg throughout her journey. So now, I'll be diving on how Mr. and Mrs. Murray shapes the theme of the family and preservance of the book. In A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline L'Engle, Mr. and Mrs. Murray are pivotal characters who serve as loving parents to the protagonist Meg Murray. Mr. Murray is a scientist who works on complex equations related to tesseracts, which are a central plot of the story. Although absent for a large portion of the novel, he is depicted as a kind and intelligent man whose disappearance was a source of distress for Meg and her family. Mrs. Murray, on the other hand, is a supportive, nurturing figure who is both mentally strong and emotionally caring. She works as a biologist and is deeply loving towards her children. She is a patient and encourages Meg's potential even when Meg doubts herself. Her quiet strength contrasts with her husband's more scientific focus, but both parents deeply care for their family, which is clear throughout the novel. The Murray's relationship with their children amplifies the theme of love and support throughout A Wrinkle in Time. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Warm good morning to the esteemed chief guest, respected vice principal ma'am, honorable Mrs. and all of the teachers present here. My name is Supriya Karki and I am a student of grade 81. It is an honor to be standing in front of you all today to talk about the real-world lessons we can learn from A Wrinkle in Time, a novel that beautifully blends science, fantasy, and deep life lessons. First, facing challenges with courage. Meg struggles with self-doubt, but as she embarks on her journey, she learns that her fear doesn't have to define her. Like her, we all face challenges whether in school, at home, or in life. This book reminds us that even when we feel lost, Bravery and persistence is what keeps us going. Second, the power of love and connection. In this novel, love is the force that breaks through darkness. Meg saves her brother, Charles Wallace, not with strength or intelligence, but with love. This book this shows us that even no matter how hard life gets, the relationships we build with our family, friends, and our community gives us guidance and strength. Third, the importance of thinking for yourself. Camazotz, a world of total conformity, warns us about the danger of blindly following others. In life, we also face pressure to fit in. This book encourages us to think critically, challenge harmful norms, and stay true to our beliefs. Finally, the balance of science and imagination. L'Engle blends scientific theories and creativity, shows us that knowledge and curiosity go hand in hand, whether it's exploring space, inventing technology, or expressing ourselves through art. True progress happens when we dare to dream. So as we step away from this story, let's take its lesson. Let's be brave, value the love around us, start thinking for ourselves, and never stop imagining. Thank you, have a nice day.
A warm good morning to the esteemed chief guest, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, level coordinator, teachers, parents, and all the students present here. I'm Christina Rai, a student from grade 8A1, and today I stand before you all to talk about the book A Wrinkle in Time in brief. A Wrinkle in Time is a young adult sci-fi novel written by an American author, Madeleine L'Engle. This book features Meg Murray as the protagonist, and the antagonist is an disembodied brain, also known as It. Alongside them, we also get to encounter Meg's wonderful, intelligent brother, Charles Wallace, their friend Calvin O'Keefe, Mr. and Mrs. Murray, Aunt Beast, Mrs. Watson, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Witch. The quest or the story begins with the mysterious arrival of Mrs. Who, Mrs. Watson, and Mrs. Witch, the three doubles who guide the children on their quest. They use a tesseract, a wrinkle in space and time, to travel through various planets, including Camazotz. When they arrive to Camazotz, they find Meg's father and rescues him. But now there was another problem created. The problem was Charles was under control of its power. Meg did try to rescue Charles Wells, but realizes that she is too weak to fight against it. So the three of them, Meg's father, and Calvin, decides to tesseract away, which leads Meg to have severe injury and lose her consciousness. But after they tesseract away, they find themselves in a random planet where they meet tentacled creatures. So that's the part where we get to encounter Aunt Beast. Aunt Beast is a tentacled creature who helps Meg to recover and realize her stability. After Meg's recovery, Meg decides to return to Camazotz and rescue her brother. Ultimately, Meg discovers that her love is the only power is the only power and only key to rescue her brother, and is the only key to free them and return them home safely. At the end, they all have a happy family reunion. By saying this, I would like to conclude my saying, thank you, have a nice day.